All right, here we are, walking on railroad tracks. This one's in St. Paul. This one is a working railroad. We're rail fanning, train spotting here. This one goes, I don't know where it goes to. It probably goes to the river. Here we are. We're going to cross 35E, I think, but we'll walk along railroad tracks here. Check it out. And we got 29th day, hang on. 29th day of December. Here we go. Ran out of time today to go up to those two things, but we got plenty of time to do something else. We'll probably do some cemeteries tomorrow. So as Halloween comes up here in 2024, I'll have some cemetery stuff coming up. Do a couple of those. I got some out 212, but I have no idea if this is Canadian Pacific or not. I have no idea, but it's a nice rail line. I've seen a few come across here. So it used to be two lines, it looks like. Never know. I have a train, so this cruises into St. Paul and probably connects with the main line that goes all the way to the oil company. So I don't know where this one connects to, but I figure what the hell. We'll do some rail fanning, you know, hang out, the outskirts. Yeah, so I think there's a bigger bridge up here somewhere that goes across. So I saw it one day. We might go across it twice. So here we go. Gotta be careful here when you're walking, right? Be very careful if you walk across. We don't want to get an ankle stuck in here. So, perfect. Little train spotting, rail spotting here in St. Paul, right? Looking for trains. The hell? That's Rudolph right there. Yep, Canadian Pacific. Yep, that's what it is. Yep, here we go. Just kind of walking across here. Hell yeah. That's 35. So I think if I walk up a little farther, it's an enclosed one up here, a little farther around the corner. So it's kind of cool, you know? But it probably was two rail lines. You can make this into a bus line, put a fence up, and a bus could run back and forth here. Where the hell it goes to? Rapid bus line? Hell yeah. New Year's Eve weekend, going to Red Lobster like we always do. So, never know what you're going to find on the railroad tracks. Dead body, money, I don't know, garbage. There's some little boy that got found by somebody. Found him in a thing, so they found his body. That was good, but people like to put stuff. My dad used to bring home aluminum cans all the time, stuff in the railroad all the time. There's 35E. As you can see, shoes, all kinds of good stuff. You guys see anything yet? You should see a train. What the hell's going on with the Canadian Pacific? Don't you guys use your rail lines? Never know what you're gonna find. Oh, it's that up there. No, it isn't. Oh, that's just a wall. I thought it was that's just a wall. Unless that might be an abandoned rail thing. We'll see over there what the hell that is, right? We'll go over there. That might be an old bridge. Never know, I don't think so. It's just a wall. And I got a bike thing over here. Over here. Of course. You know, throwing stuff over there. Still waiting to find a satchel, like 30 grand of cash in it. That'd be nice. I could spend that money real good. That's probably a, you know, just an old wall. Who knows? But I don't think it's a. We'll see when we get on the other side of it. You guys see anything? What the hell? Where the hell is everybody? Yeah, I think that's just a old wall. I don't think it's anything else. I don't think. It's fenced off, so it's probably just fenced off the through the area. So I don't think it's an old fire railroad bridge or anything. I don't think. Or is it? No, that's just a wall. That's all that is. Yeah. So okay, nothing special. That's all it is. Okay, over here it's 35. You never know. Place to go, right? You know, look, I'm trying to spot some trains. I don't see anything yet. Oh no. I think anybody really cares. But I don't know what street that is over there. But yeah, it might connect. I don't know. Somewhere. But oh yeah, nice walk. Rail fanning, train spotting. What the hell? Oh. You never know, right? Heck yeah. Yep. I don't see anything. Huh. It's kind of a waste of good suffering, right? So I thought I would see something interesting. Didn't get anything. Disappointing to say the least. But anyways, guys, so we'll turn around and we'll head on back to the vehicle. So hope you enjoyed a nondescript train spotting, rail fanning video in St. Paul. I thought for sure I would see something. This kind of bums me out. I thought for sure. But oh well. Waste of time and good suffering. Nothing came about it. It's the way she goes. So anyways, guys, I tried. No trains either direction. Hell yeah.